What's up, boys? Today we're going to celebrate Christmas the only way, the right way, with some winter drifting. For those of you who haven't been on the channel for a while, we didn't do this last year, but right now we're in the next town over from Umeå where we live. Today is the 23rd of December. We actually celebrate on 24th in Sweden, not on 25th. They have this tradition here where they go out snow drifting the 23rd and you slide all the night all the way into Christmas. There's usually a bunch of people. Yeah, we'll see what kind of cars we find. Last year there weren't like any people at all because we had so little snow. We kind of don't have too much snow right now either. But if you check down here in the parking lot, we got some people over here. Before we used to know some people who were here at this day, and now we don't. So we'll see how this goes. We'll see how close we can tandem without getting yelled at and shit. But we'll have a bunch of fun today. So let's go check the place out and I'll see you soon. So we're here. There's actually quite a few people here drifting. So nice to see this still going. Dude, I'm shaking, it's so cold. Oh. What the fuck, really, boy? What the fuck? So there seems to be still a lot of people doing this event. So nice to see. I don't know how close I want to drive to these guys, but they seem to be driving pretty close to each other. So I guess they're not too worried if I hit them. At least that car in front, because it looks like straight dookie, my guy.
Was
fucking Tandems with a Saab. What the fuck is this, boys? What the hell? Merry Christmas, boys!
Merry Christmas!
We just hit 21 AM, fuck, I don't know shit. And it's fucking Christmas now, boys. Hell yeah!
Ja, de är tillbaka.
Det kommer att bli en smörgås här.
De är tillbaka. Oj, oj! Där tog de oss. Okej, jag tror det är typ 5 bilar som kraschar där.
Look at this, boys. This is what I'm talking about. This is what it's all about. Hell yeah, boys. Du, vet du vad? Jag hittar maxvinkeln. Min bil har dött. Ja, min bil dog så jag kunde inte köra fram. Ursäkta. Guys.
Oj, jävlar! Oj, jävlar! Oj då!
Holy shit, boys! Shit, fuck you!
Oj, jävlar!
Jag måste klarlacka det där sen när jag kommer hem då.
Det var fint.
Yo, and I'm finally back, finally done editing this video. This took such a long time, I had so much material to go through. But if you like this, boys, be sure to leave a thumbs up on the video, comment something down below, really helps me out. If you want to check out the Instagram or the Patreon, links are down below. And as you all have seen in the last clips here, the Volvo got pretty smashed up. We have to do something about that, try to get the dents out, but I got a lot of videos coming for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you all in the next. Bye, boys.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.